Sis, this is 2025. Your hair must grow. Yes, your hair must grow. I'm trying all my possible best to make sure that your hair grows. That is what this video is about. If your hair is shedding non-stop, you will not retain length. If your hair is breaking non-stop, you will not retain length. Your hair is growing, but you're just not seeing it. Your hair is breaking as it's growing. First of all, we need to stop that breakage. Yes, breakage and shedding, they are the enemy here. So we need to stop it. We need to try as much as we can to stop that shedding and breakage, because that is what is stopping you from growing really long and thick hair. So the moment you arrest that breakage today, the moment your hair starts growing, all I want you to do for me before you try this recipe is to get a trim. Go to a stylist, a professional stylist, ask that stylist to trim your hair. I don't know when last you trimmed your hair, but if you recently trimmed your hair, please continue with this recipe. But if you have never trimmed your hair since last year, there are a lot of us that have not trimmed their hair since last year. Please, sis, go get a trim, because this is not going to work if you don't get a trim. So ask a professional. Do not do it yourself if you don't know how to do it. There are a lot of videos out there teaching you how to trim your hair, but I would appreciate you visit a professional to get a precision cut on your ends. This recipe that I'm about to share is going to do the job for you. Believe me when I say so. So to begin, grab a jar or bowl. Make sure it is clean. My first ingredient is mango butter. So I'm going to be scooping out 1 tablespoon of the mango butter into my clean bowl. Please, if you don't have mango butter, you can use shea butter. I know shea butter is easily accessible. So if you don't have mango butter, shea butter is a good alternative. Also, we have other butters like cucumber butter, but mango butter and shea butter, they are just the best. No, my next ingredient, which is Vaseline, is going to wow some of you, but sis, trust me on this one. So we are going to be using Vaseline in 1 tablespoon as well. Scoop that Vaseline all out and then transfer. I need you all to go and read about Vaseline or do your research about Vaseline. I'm not going to talk too much on that. Our third ingredient is Nescafe in 1.5 gram. That is coffee. I don't know the brand you have in your location, so coffee is coffee regardless of the brand. So I'm using Nescafe because that's just the most popular ones here in Nigeria. So I'm using this sachet because it's just very easy for me. I just toss 1 sachet in my blender. So 1 sachet is just perfect, 1.5 grams. So I'm just going to be emptying that in my blender. So some of you were asking me where I got this blender from. Yeah, I got it from an online vendor. I'm sure most of them shop from China and the rest. So you can check Amazon or AliExpress to get this. So our next ingredient is cloves. So 1 tablespoon of that. I will go ahead and blend everything that I just showed you, including the coffee. So this is what I have. This blender does a good job, guys. It does really good job. So, and it's very, very affordable. So I transferred my ingredients in the butter and my Vaseline. So that's what I have. Next up, I'm going to be lighting up my stove. I'm going to light my stove, pour some water in my pot, place it on fire, allow this to boil, bring it to a boil. So do not go anywhere. You have to keep watching this video so you see the final ingredients that I'm going to be adding. So once the water starts boiling, place everything in it. The goal is just to infuse all the ingredients in the butter, probably melt everything. So here is my last ingredient, rosemary oil. You guys already know the wonders of rosemary. Yeah, this is the point that you're going to add it. Once the butter starts melting, then you can add your rosemary oil in 1 tablespoon. So rosemary oil is an amazing oil for hair growth, especially if you're looking to grow your hair long and thick. Rosemary is your go-to oil or go-to herbs to incorporate in your routine. So go ahead and allow this on your stove for 15 to 20 minutes. Once is the time, sorry, this is what you will have. Everything will melt into the oil, and then everything will infuse into the oil. I meant to say, bring this down. Do not overcook this, or do not over steam this. Next up, grab your jar immediately and then transfer this. Make sure to strain it, else you're going to be meeting particles, except you don't care about the particles. So I'm going to transfer this in a strainer, pass this through a strainer into my jar. So I'm going to allow this on a tabletop. Do not refrigerate. Some of you might be tempted to put it in the refrigerator so it can congeal, or it can come together like hair butter or hair grease. You don't need all of that. Just leave it on your tabletop. It is going to look like this after some hours. So it's better than putting it in the refrigerator. If you put it in the refrigerator, it's going to spoil fast. And if you want this to last longer, you're going to add vitamin E oil to it. That vitamin E oil is going to help preserve this oil for you. So you can apply it on your scalp once a week. Do not apply it on your scalp every day, so that it doesn't clog your pores, because this contains butters and oils and even Vaseline. So it has the tendency of clogging your pores, except you're the type that wash your hair every week, which I don't recommend. So apply once a week on your scalp, and then the rest of your hair you can apply that probably maybe every day, but the standard is 2 to 3 times in a week. Use it to seal in moisture in your hair. You can apply it on your hair when you feel your hair is dry, even without adding your leave-in conditioners and your maybe your hair mist and the likes. So the best way to use this is to use it as probably spray your hair with some water, kind of hydrating your hair with some water. Next, you apply your leave-in conditioner and then use this to seal in the moisture. This is going to help to strengthen your hair, help your hair not to shed and break anymore, like too much. You start noticing your shedding reducing. From reducing, it will reduce drastically to the point that you will start enjoying your hair, you start gaining volume, you start seeing your hair long and all that. Even in protective style, you can still use this treatment. Yeah, you can still use this treatment. These are ways that you can help your hair to grow. You can help your hair grow really long and thick by using this to seal in moisture in your hair, or applying it on your strands of hair. So instead of purchasing products that you don't know how it is being made, why not make this and then use it to help your hair? If you have got knots on your tips, this is something that you should be using on your hair tips to help with the knotting of your hair. With the consistent use of this, you shouldn't be experiencing knots on your ends. When you apply this on your ends, you tuck it in. Do not expose your ends, else they will keep on knotting and knotting, and you'll be losing lots and lots of hair. So that is just all I came to share with you on today's video, and help those that have been stuck on same hair length. For this treatment, only from 2 years and above can use this treatment. Do not use it on babies less than 2 years of age. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share my videos. We are about to get to 400 subscribers. Make this happen for your girl. I will see you on my next one. Bye.